good day, grade 7. So how are you today? So I hope you are doing fine, as always. So for today, we're going to discuss on how you are going to name a point. Okay, class. So let us have some example on how you are going to name a point. So for example, this is our Cartesian plane. Okay? So we all know that all the points that lies on the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So in this quadrant, the points that lies are positive, positive. While in the second quadrant, the points that lies are negative and positive. While in the third quadrant, the points that lies are negative and negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the points that lies are positive, negative. Okay, so kapag sinabi natin class na Cartesian coordinate system or you are going to name a point, so always remember na palaging ang una nating titingnan ay ang ating x-axis. And then, we are going to look for the y-axis. So, of course, we all know that all the numbers to the right of our 0 are positive and all the numbers to the left of 0 are negative. The same as downward, so we have negative numbers, and upward are all positive. So, if this is our point A, and you are going to name point A, so let us count first our x values. So, we have 1, positive 2, positive 3, and positive 4. And then, for our y, so let us count positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, positive 6. And then this is the point of intersection. So we have now 4 and of course 6. Okay, class. Now, let's proceed into point B. So this is our point B. Let us name the point B. So let us count, of course, in our x-axis. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then count upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore, this is the point of intersection. So we have negative 3 and then our y stands for positive 11. So therefore, point B lies in negative 3, positive 11. And then let's proceed into point C. So this is our point C. As you notice, it is located in the upper part of our y-axis. So therefore, so we have 0, positive 3. And then point D. So this is our point D. It is located on the right side of our x-axis. So therefore, our point D is 7, 0. And then point E. This is our point E. So our point E is located on our left side of our x-axis. So you have here negative 3, 0. And our point F, so this is our point F. Our point F is located on the lower part of our y-axis. So this is 0, negative 3. And our point G, so this is our point G. If you are going to name point G, so we have positive 5, negative 3, since it is located in quadrant 4. So, positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then negative 3. And then point H, so this is our point H. Let us look first for the x-axis. So, you have negative 7. And then, our y-axis is negative 6. And then, so that is how you are going to name the points of our Cartesian plane. Okay, class, so let us have another example on how you are going to name points. For example, this is our Cartesian plane. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and then quadrant 4. And then class, you are going to name this point. For example, this is our point A. So what is the name of our point A? So of course, look first for the x-axis. So you have 5. And then, you have here 6. So, you have point A as 5, 6. And then, let us have point B. So, point B, look at first for the x-axis. So, you have negative 2. And then, you have positive 5. And then, point C. So, this is our point C. Look at first for the x-axis. So, you have positive 6. And then, you have negative 3 as your y-axis. And then, point D. So, this is our point D. So, look at first for the x-axis. So, you have negative 4. And then, for the y-axis is negative 3. And then, point E. So, this is our point E. For example, So you all know that this locates on the upper part. So therefore, you have 0 as your x-axis and positive 8 as your y-axis. And then this is our point F. So you have here 3 as our x-axis because it is located on the right side of the x-axis and 0 for your y-axis. And then point G. So this is our point G. So it is located on the left side. So you have negative 4, 0. And then point A. So this is our point A located on the lower part of the y-axis. So you have 0, negative 8. And then point I. This is our point I, wherein it is located on the 8, positive 4. And then point J. This is our point J. So you have negative 9. And of course, you have negative 4. Okay, class, so that is how you are going to name points. So remember that if you are going to name a point, so you can draw an imaginary line and then look for the intersection point kung saan po sila nagtagpo. So yun po yung magiging point natin. At the same time, ang una po palaging tinitingnan is the value or the x-axis and then for the y. So always remember, yung mga points that lies on the 4 quadrants at the same time, on the right side of the x-axis, on the left side of the x-axis, upper part of the y-axis, and on the lower part of the y-axis. So I hope you had new learning for today. So if you have questions, please do not hesitate to ask your teacher. Thank you and God bless.